Hello everybody, this is Don Torsha with Basement to Roof Home Inspections. Today I am in Rochester Hills, Michigan. I want to show you an example of a do not DIY project. This is something you're better off letting the pros do. Yes, there's a lot of things you can do on your house. I love people working on their own houses, but this is a mess that I find when people do their own shower commonly. Here's a shower here. Check out the shower pan, how it's all cracked. See the water damage in the corner there? What's happening is this. Whoever built this thing, it's hard to see right now with the water in here, but the water, the floor is pitched back away from the drain. Hard to see in that corner there. You see this funkiness in the corner? What's happening is this. When you turn the water on, it's heading back to that corner. This is a no-no. We call this an Uncle Bob job. Uncle Bob comes on a Saturday afternoon with a case of beer. He says, hey, I'll put you a shower in your basement. Okay? Check this guy out. That's my coronavirus quarantine belly. 12 pounds. Man, gotta get past that thing. Anyhow, here you go. Here's an example of a do not DIY project. Do the rest. Do the trim. Do the painting. Here you go. Here's some more water damage right there from water. What's happening is this. Here's the drain. The water's headed back towards the curb. And it's headed back towards this wall here. Alright, there you go, folks. There's your tip for the day. Don Torsha, Basement to Roof Home Inspections. Thank you for watching my video, for being a part of our lives and our business. Take care.